Big O got me going where I should cook up some eggs. And I got this stem that's really short. I can't find a nut for this 1.5 millimeter bolt. And it's a little loose, so I figure, hey, I got some metal. Let me see if I can wrap this. I don't have cutters with me. Well, I'm going to do this by hand first. Maybe I should start it off like so, get a nice grip on it. Bend it by hand. I just love everything just, doesn't work in all of these issues. The fish should get it. There we go. Get a nice wrap. Go get myself some cutters, and I'm good.